how to change line shaping in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. After you have added your text, simply click on the text. After you have clicked on the text, it will open all these options at the top. Here you'll find an arrow-like option below T. Simply click on it, which is Advanced Settings. After you click on it, there you'll find line spacing. Select the one you prefer. If you move the slider to the right side, it will increase space, and if you move it to the left side, it will make your text closer. Choose the one you prefer and you're good to go. This is how to change line spacing in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.